Greetings, hi, welcome. My name is Zishan and this is the crash course regarding how to create a god. You might be wondering why this kind of title, like how to create a god. The reason is that for thousands of years, people have been creating their own gods. Like every nation, country, city, town kind of people, they used to create their own version of God. But the question is that if God can be created, why cannot be it created now? And if the God can be created, is that really a God? The God which was made by humans? In this crash course, we will discover how a human create a God and why false gods remain a failure. Who really is the God if there is a God in this universe and creating and controlling this entire universe? If he is or she is, whatsoever he is, who really is, and what is the name of the God? If there is existence of the God. Then what are the proof if he exists? But before, we will start from a fabricated character of the God that I will design and create in front of you. And then you will understand this concept. This is the journey to learn something. If you are open mind and open heart person, you can learn today this amazing imagination and story, facts, figures, and reality. Let's begin.